ChatGPT is a game changer for data science. No secret that data scientists use this tool to analyze data and fix errors. But you need to know at least one programming language to perform complex projects in machine learning and deep learning. Fortunately, there are many programming languages you can use in data science. Today, we'll go over the 8 most used programming languages in data science and discuss their pros and cons. Let's dive in. The most popular programming language for data analysis, machine learning, and automation is undoubtedly Python. This is because its syntax is simple. You can write your code in Python just as if you were speaking to someone in English. To carry out your data science projects, you don't need to code from scratch. Python has awesome libraries to easily implement your project. Let me explain these libraries. Pandas and NumPy are king when it comes to data manipulation. Matplotlib and Seaborn are great for data visualization. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch are excellent for your machine learning analysis. My first advice to those just starting a data science career is to learn Python. We now live in the age of big data, right? This big data lives in databases. Python is great for data analysis, but SQL is king when it comes to working with data in databases. With SQL, you can manipulate the data in the database and even perform simple data analysis. You can leverage relational databases such as MySQL and PostgreSQL to work with SQL. Most people consider Bash to be traditional programming language. Let's take a step back and think. Imagine you have a large text file on your computer. It's hard to manually search or filter your file, isn't it? You can easily do this with Bash. With Bash, you can easily build pipelines to perform tasks like data extraction, data transformation, and data loading. When it comes to data manipulation, data analysis, and data visualization, R is king. While its name may be short, its capabilities are truly remarkable. It has many built-in functions and libraries. Let me give a few examples. ggplot2 is a powerful tool that allows users to create complex and customizable charts. Dplane is a versatile data manipulation library that provides a set of functions for filtering, summarizing, and transforming data. Caret is a comprehensive library for machine learning that offers tools for data processing and performance evaluation. In a nutshell, R is very powerful for data cleaning, data processing, data visualization, and statistical analysis. Looking for speed in data science? Then the Julia language is for you. For high performance numerical operations, Julia is king. The most used programming language for data science today is undoubtedly Python. But Python is slow because it's an interpretive language. Most of the Python libraries used for deep learning are written using C++. This is where Julia comes in. Julia is a compiler language, so it's as fast as C, which close to machine language. Julia's syntax is also easy to learn, as it is inspired by Python and R. Rust is unknown to most data scientists, but stands out as an alternative choice in data science due to its outstanding performance and memory security. With no runtime or garbage collector, Rust provides exceptional efficiency when dealing with large datasets. But remember, Rust is relatively new to data science and has fewer libraries compared to Python. This means that you may have to write most of your code from scratch for your data analysis. To be honest, I haven't used Rust in my data science projects, but from my research, Rust seems to offer opportunities for creating data pipelines and handling big data. C++ was designed as an extension of C, and both languages has almost the same syntax. It's awesome for your high performance and complex projects. Note that C++ is not used as much as Python or R in data science projects, but it can be preferred for projects that require speed. Also, since C++ has low-level memory management, you can easily work with big datasets with this language. If you're looking for a cleaner language with fewer words than Java, Scala is for you. Scala runs on the Java virtual machine and supports the Java language. One of the strengths of Scala is that it can combine object-oriented programming with functional programming. Spark is a great framework for working with big data. Spark is written in Scala, so Scala is Spark's native language. Note that you can also use Python or R to work with Spark. You don't have to know Scala to be a data scientist, but if you want to pursue a career in data engineering or databases, knowing Scala will set you one step ahead of other applications. As a bonus, I'd like to mention another programming language, Mojo. This language is very new. Mojo is a language that combines the performance of C with the simplicity of Python. By measure, I can say that Mojo is 25,000 times faster than Python. Let me explain to you how this happens. As you can see, while Python performs the operations one by one, Voja carries these operations by distributing them to multiple cores. Remember that this language is under development. To dive into data science, you need to learn at least one programming language. In this video, I covered the 8 programming language to implement your data science. At this point, you may ask, which of these language should I choose? It's difficult to answer this question clearly. I can only say that it depends on the company you work for and the project you do. For example, if people at the company you work for use Python, you need to know Python. Or if your friends at your university use R, you're expected to know R too. Remember, every language has pros and cons. If you are new to data science, I recommend learning Python first. When it comes to performing statistical data analysis and data visualization projects, you can learn R or Julia. If you need the high performance and memory management, C++ and Rust are good options for you. Bash is very useful for automation and data pipelines. SQL is a great language for dancing with data in databases. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like the video. Bye for now.